How's it going, guys? Quick Shift 636 here. Today we're going to be working on my 2013 Ram 1500. One of the big issues that we came across is tailgates are so freaking heavy. So today we're going to be installing from Deezee this tailgate assist. Hopefully get rid of that problem with the tailgate itself just hanging on these cables. Seems pretty easy to install. A lot of good reviews. But those reviews don't mean nothing without Quick Shift 636 review. So let's get into it. Let's check it out. Let's see if this is what you need to buy for your Ram or for your pickup. Let's check it out. So let's check out our tailgate situation before. So we're dealing with. So if you guys have a Ram 1500, you know this tailgate is very heavy. Particularly when I have my trailer on here, it gets real close to that tongue. So we need to get rid of that. We need to try to make something a little bit more stable that you don't have to worry about those cables breaking, that tailgate slamming right down the tongue of your trailer. Get this thing opened up, see what we got. Got our Ram. Got some tools and some hardware. So we got a little bit of Loctite. We have our Ram right here. Seems pretty freaking solid. From Deezee. More hardware, included tools. Seems like it'd be pretty straightforward install. Alright, let's get into it. First thing we need to do is grab our insert. Make sure the base from the washer to the tip of the head is at 3/4 of an inch. Throw tape on it. Boom, we're sitting there at 3/4 of an inch. So that's perfect. We're ready to move forward. Alright, next we're going to insert the blind nut. Use a 10mm wrench. Now we're going to go ahead and check it. Boom. And you can see our nut insert is already installed. Perfect. Alright, next, go ahead and get the ball mount. Install a little bit of Loctite. Go and get that installed here. And instructions say use a 13mm wrench and tighten down and torque down to 8 foot-pounds. But in the pinch, I don't have all my tools, crescent's going to be just fine. And all you're trying to do is just seat it. We're not going to reef on this thing. I'm not trying to pull the threads out. All we're trying to do is seat it down, tighten it up, get it nice and snug. That's all we're trying to do. Boom, done. Torqued, 8 foot-pounds. Alright guys, next we're going to go ahead and remove this pivot cable bolt. Get this thing out of here. Go and install this ball mount plate in front of it. As so. And then we're going to reinstall the bolt. so. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and remove the tailgate strap here. Then now we got to remove this limiter right here. Go and hold this flat washer that's on the back side right here. Set of pliers. What we're going to do, pry that sucker out. Alright, grab our cable. Throw some more of the supplied Loctite back on here. No limiter. I'm going to get that reinstalled. There you go. Next, we're going to be installing our cable clip. So we're going to measure 3.5 inches down from this part of the cable. Put this right here. Push our cable clip up. Yeah, about 3.5 inches. Perfect. Next, we're going to install the prop rod. So here, now the bottom part of the rod. Now let's see what we got. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the install. I appreciate you guys taking your time out to check it out. I think it's a pretty good product. It seemed to work. You guys saw the tailgate went down nice, slow and controlled, then just dropped down to the cables, and again, that's what we wanted. So pretty good product, you know. We'll check it out for 20 bucks on Amazon. You can't really even beat that. So I appreciate you guys sticking with me. Appreciate you guys checking out the video, and again, stay tuned, a lot more to come. Gio.